Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck from Powered Up Success. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk a little bit more about Easy1Up. Now, in the past I've made some videos talking about the products in Easy1Up, how much they cost, and how to make money with Easy1Up. You can check out those videos on my channel. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just click the bell icon next to it. Now, in this video regarding Easy1Up, I want to talk about how to promote the business opportunity. And, you know, if you're thinking about joining Easy1Up but you don't know how to promote a business opportunity, this video will show you two different marketing systems that you can use. You can use both of them, or you can just use one of them, okay? And I'm going to go over them briefly, so I'm trying not to make this video too long. Now, right here, I'm in the back office of Easy1Up. I'm under one of the product sections, which is Vertex Pro. But over on the left-hand side, once you sign up with Easy1Up, and you purchase a product package and you've already set up your account and everything, gone through the set up your profile and everything, you want to go down here to where it says affiliate marketing. Click on that. There's a drop down. You want to click on resources. Under resources, if you scroll down, it's the Easy1Up Vertex lead system. This is a marketing system that you can use to promote Easy1Up. There's a one-time fee of $97. Now, when you set up an account with the Vertex lead system marketing system, make sure that you use your Easy1Up username when you create your account. And there's also a separate affiliate marketing program, a reseller program, that you can be a part of, so that when people who you invite to take a look at Easy1Up and they sign up under you and they also purchase the Vertex lead system, you will get a commission on this $97. Okay, so again, a $97 one-time payment, and this is just a demo here, or just how it looks like. I don't have this system right now. I might get it in the future if I just want to promote Easy1Up and that's it. So I might get it's only $97. But a lot of people who are in Easy1Up use the Vertex lead system, and they are making commissions using this system. And this system pretty much helps to promote. Let me go over here. When you click on the link to check out more information about it, it'll take you to this opt-in page, this lead capture page. You just put in your name, email, phone number, and click on show me how, and it'll take you to a video explaining how the Vertex lead system works, making an extra $500 to $1,000 a week from home. Basically, what they do is that when you drive leads to the video sales letter for Vertex lead system, okay, you use one of their lead capture pages. Let me show you what they look like here. This is really small, but these are what some of the lead capture pages look like. I've seen this one a lot from people. Now, when they put in their email address and click the button, they will go to the video sales presentation page, and this will be the video sales letter. This is what it looks like. Now, the video sales letter is designed to get people to come in at a higher level, which is at least the Vertex Elite level, which is $500. So that's why it says $500 to $1,000 a week, because they're trying to get people to come in at the Vertex Elite or Vertex Pro level. Vertex Elite is $500. That goes to your sponsor. And then there's a $50 administration fee that goes to the company, the Easy1Up company. Okay, that's the administration fee. And then the Vertex Pro, that one, I'm in Vertex Pro, okay? Vertex Pro is $1,000 that goes to your sponsor, and $100 is the administration fee that goes to the Easy1Up company, okay? So that's what the purpose of this video sales letter is, to get people to come in at least the Vertex Elite level. That way you're making higher commissions. So if you sign up with Easy1Up, make sure that you come in at least the Vertex Elite system if you're going to use Vertex Lead system. Okay, the $500 level, Vertex Elite, or Vertex Pro, $1,000, and then there's the Vertex Live, which is a newer business product level, and that's $2,000. Okay, with a $500 admin fee, because you're dealing with live events, and it costs more to put on those live events. That's why the administration fee is $500 on that one. But make sure you come in at Vertex Elite, at least Vertex Elite, $500, or you're not going to be able to use the Vertex Lead system. Okay, so that's the only drawback with the Vertex Lead systems, that this is designed to get people to come in at the $500 level or higher. So you need to be at the $500 level or higher in order to use the Vertex Lead system. Okay, now the second marketing system that you can use, and this is the one that I'm currently using, is a funnel system. Really, it's a funnel system slash marketing system called Funnel X ROI. There are multiple streams of income in this system that's being promoted. The first income stream is Easy1Up. Okay, the second income stream is Aweber, which is an email autoresponder, and these two go hand in hand because you want to build your email list of leads. The reason you want to do that is because most people who go to your offer, they're not going to buy or join your business opportunity the first time. So you need a way to follow up with those people. And the way you do that is by building an email list of those leads. So you can follow up with them, send them automatic email follow-ups to them every day. And it'll take several times for those people to see your offer before they decide whether they're going to join you in the opportunity or not. People can be on your email list for months before they decide to join you in your business opportunity. That's just how it works, okay? So that's why you need to build an email list using an email autoresponder like Aweber. And I like Aweber. I've had it for several years now. I like it because they have a high deliverability rate of your emails going into people's inboxes instead of the spam folder, okay? So that's why I like Aweber. And then there's 3 other income streams that complement the business opportunity. Okay, and if you sign up with those, you have the ability to earn commissions from those when people you invite into Funnel XRI sign up with these programs too. Okay, and I've made videos about each one of those programs, and again, just check those videos out on my channel. All right, so with the Funnel XRI system, there is no payment to activate your own system. It's completely free. All you have to do is put in your name and email address and click the activate button, and this is the page you end up on. Okay, your Funnel X member dashboard. And there's a 10.5-minute video from the creator of Funnel XRI. His name is David Deacle. And you want to watch that first. Watch his 509% ROI case study, where he made a 509% return on his investment using this exact same system. And then you want to click the big orange button to go to the next step. Next step is to configure your Easy1Up account, purchase your product package and all that stuff. On this one, it is not mandatory that you come in at the Vertex Elite level or higher. I do recommend that you do come in at the highest level possible so you don't miss out on commissions. But you can start off at the lowest level, $25 or $100, whichever one is comfortable for you. Don't break the bank, don't put yourself in debt, but do come in at the highest level you can so you don't miss out on commissions, okay? And you just go through each step, setting up your system and setting up your income streams. Now, you don't have to join all of these income streams at once if you don't want to, but I do highly recommend that you do, of course, come in, set up your Easy1Up, configure your Aweber so you can build your email list. Those two are the most important. The ROI panel, configuring that. ROI panel is a way of tracking your traffic links so you know which traffic sources are generating the commissions for you. Okay, so you can scale those up and make even more commissions. All right, so you can add that on later if you don't have the money to do that right now, or you can go ahead and set that up. Okay, but tracking your traffic sources is very important. Okay, the pay-per-lead system, all you got to do is create a free account, and that's it. You're automatically eligible to receive $1 per qualified lead. Okay, there is an option to upgrade if you want to. You could do that later if you want to. Okay, and then there's a where you can offer bonuses to people who sign up in Easy1Up with you, or some of these other things. You can, offer free vacation packages to people, free restaurant vouchers, and that's what this integrate your bonuses is. The company is called Advertising Boost, and there is a monthly payment to this. And not only that, but you do receive a monthly commission, a monthly recurring commission for people who sign up under you. Okay. And of course, there's some other bonuses that are part of FunnelX ROI that will help you to learn how to write emails to your list. But even if you don't know what to write to your list, there is an 80+ day email follow-up series that's written by David Deacle. And so you don't have to write these emails. You just put them into your Aweber account. And when people sign up to your email list to get more information about FunnelX ROI, they will immediately and automatically start receiving an email every day for the next 80+ days, referring them back to FunnelX ROI so they can set up their own system. Okay? And if you ever need help, unsure what to do next, click here and it'll show where you left off at in the system and setting up your system. And if you still need help, they have it done with you over the phone funnel setup, and they will walk you through setting up your system right over the phone. But you really don't need this because all of the videos in these steps are very detailed and step by step. David Deacle goes over things in a very detailed way. He goes over things 2-3 times just to make sure you understand everything. So it's not difficult at all to set up your system. It doesn't take that long. Okay, the longest part is just watching the video, but other than that, it really doesn't take that long to set up this system. Now, once you have this system set up, how do you drive traffic to this system? You go down here, how to promote and start earning commissions. When you click on that, you go to a 50+ minute video from David Deacle, who shows you his secret traffic source and how he uses it to drive traffic to FunnelX ROI. Okay, and you can use this traffic source too. And he shows you step by step in detail how to buy traffic to go to your own FunnelX ROI system link, your own affiliate link. Okay, now the good thing about FunnelX ROI is not only can you have the ability to create multiple streams of income, but when you drive traffic to this system, the system does the selling for you. You don't have to sell Easy1Up, Aweber, ROI Panel, the pay-per-lead system, Advertising Boost. You don't have to sell any of these other programs. All you have to do is drive traffic to this funnel system, and the system will do the selling of the income streams for you. Okay, so that's the great thing about it. And also, you don't have to pay for it. It's completely free to activate your own system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to the Easy1Up sign up page. You can sign up for free, and then, once you sign up for free, you just go under My Products and choose which product level you want to purchase. Okay, so if you want to use the Vertex Lead system, purchase Vertex Elite or higher, and then after you do that, you can go over to Affiliate Marketing, Resources. This is the page you land on, and click on Vertex Lead System order page, or go to the this demo account, whatever, to find out more information about it. Or you could just go to the order page and pay the $97 one-time payment, and then set it up and start using it. And this is what the back office looks like here. This is just a screenshot of the back office. And you get a 24/7 video sales presentation, branch your business with Easy1Up, detailed statistics, prospect management, turnkey system resources, 24/7 recorded sizzle call, and autoresponder integration. Again, you can use Aweber with this. Okay, so I'll leave a link that goes directly to the Easy1Up sign up page, and then I'll also leave a link below that to FunnelX ROI so you can activate your own FunnelX ROI system. Okay, again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.